What if the secret to youthful skin is not in a bottle, but in your fingertips? Touch is not just physical, it is neurological. Every time your skin is touched, your brain listens. And in that listening, something nerve endings speak to stem cells. Hormones shift, blood flows, healing begins. In this video, you will discover how the neuroscience of touch holds the power to reverse visible aging, boost collagen, and restore radiance to your skin. We are diving deep into the hidden connection between sensation, cellular renewal, and the brain's ageless code. Stay with us, because the power to rejuvenate your face may already be in your hands. Your skin and your brain evolved from the same embryonic tissue. They are siblings in your biology. What touches your skin reaches your nervous system almost instantly. When you experience touch, especially gentle, intentional touch, sensory neurons send electrical signals to the somatosensory cortex in your brain. But the effect does not stop there. Touch activates emotional regulation centers like the insula and the prefrontal cortex. It reduces cortisol and increases oxytocin, setting off a domino effect of skin, boosting processes. Less inflammation, better hydration, enhanced cellular repair. Often called the love hormone, oxytocin is deeply involved in the neuroscience of touch. When your skin is touched with care, whether during a massage, facial treatment, or self-care ritual, oxytocin floods your brain. What does this mean for your skin? The zero increased blood flow to facial capillaries, the 6 enhanced nutrient delivery to dermal layers, the 6 reduced levels of cortisol, which breaks down collagen, the 3rd boost in fibroblast activity, the cells that build skin structure. Oxytocin rewires your skin from the inside out. And the key to unlocking it is touch. Mechanical touch, the physical stimulation of the skin, has a direct effect on collagen and elastin synthesis. Research shows that consistent facial massage or microstimulation techniques activate mechanoreceptors in the dermis 6 signal fibroblasts to produce new collagen to support lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and toxin buildup. The brain interprets gentle stimulation as a sign of safety and abundance. In this state, it promotes tissue growth and healing. When you touch your skin intentionally, you are not just moving the surface, you are instructing your brain to begin restoration. Touch does more than affect skin tone. It rewires the brain's image of your face. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to update its internal map of the body. When your face is touched regularly, either by yourself or another, your brain becomes more attuned to it. It notices asymmetries, tensions, and areas of stagnation. This increased neural attention. The 3rd improves facial symmetry. A 7 relaxes overused muscles while engages underactive areas. The result, a more youthful expression rooted in balanced neural feedback. Stress ages the skin. Emotional trauma writes itself into wrinkles, muscle tension, and inflammatory skin disorders. But touch, especially soothing contact, helps regulate the limbic system, the part of the brain that processes fear, sadness, and anxiety. Facial touch, in particular, the fur lowers amygdala reactivity, enhances vagal tone, the SIGRs, improves parasympathetic nervous system function. In this state of emotional balance, the body reduces inflammatory markers and restores optimal hormone levels. Your face reflects this balance almost instantly. There is a specific type of touch that affects the brain, profoundly effective touch. This is the slow, gentle, caressing type of touch that activates tactile afferents, nerve fibers uniquely tuned to detect care and presence. Effective touch, fur releases endorphins and serotonin, rethirst increases skin barrier repair, the sex stimulates brain centers involved in reward and pleasure. Repeated exposure to effective touch improves your perception of yourself and even enhances how others perceive your youthfulness. Beauty, in this sense, becomes neuro-emotional. Your own touch is just as powerful. When you engage in mindful self-massage, facial yoga, or tactile grounding exercises, You reinforce neural circuits that support skin health. Your brain receives sensory feedback, recalibrates facial tension, and modulates hormone release. This creates a closed loop system. Throughout brain instructs skin. The serve skin changes due new skin state signals brain again. The more consistent the practice, the stronger this feedback loop becomes, and the more youthful your skin appears. From Japanese Kobido massage to Indian Ayurvedic Abhyanga, traditional cultures have long understood the rejuvenating power of touch. Modern neuroscience now confirms what these rituals always knew. The third touch modulates brain chemistry. This touch reduces systemic inflammation. The das touch strengthens the skin barrier. The face, often seen as the mirror of the soul, becomes the canvas for neurological renewal. These rituals are not simply cultural. They are neurobiological interventions disguised as beauty practices. Incorporate touch into your routine with these science-backed methods: facial tapping, light, rhythmic taps across the forehead, cheeks, and jawline to activate blood flow and neural alertness. Lymphatic brushing, gentle strokes toward lymph nodes to promote detoxification and reduce facial swelling. Pressure points activation, stimulate zones such as the temples, jaw hinge, and eye sockets to release neural tension and improve circulation. Cold touch use chilled tools like jade rollers or cryo sticks to calm inflammation and enhance microcirculation. The cold also stimulates alertness in the brain, amplifying neural signaling. Make each touch intentional. The brain can distinguish mechanical pressure from emotional presence. Only expensive treatments rejuvenate the skin. TRUHT daily intentional touch alters neural and hormonal pathways that rejuvenate the skin for free. MITH touch cannot stimulate collagen. TRT mechanotransduction, the conversion of physical force into biochemical signals, directly enhances fibroblast function. MYTHT touch is superficial. TRU touch modulates brain structure, emotional health, and cellular aging simultaneously. You do not need invasive procedures. You need daily mindful stimulation of your brain-skin axis. The future of skincare is not synthetic. It is sensory. Your fingers hold the code to your face. Your brain is the interpreter. The more often you activate this relationship, the younger, more vibrant, and more alive you will appear. So begin now. Take 1 minute today. Close your eyes and touch your face with reverence, not routine. Reclaim the most ancient form of rejuvenation. Because in the end, youth is not something you apply. It is something you awaken. Touch is not just contact. It is communication. Let your brain hear your skin, and your skin will respond with radiance.